guys, welcome back to this week's video, and today we are going to be doing Last to Leave the Park wins $100.
And to make this more interesting, she is going to be wearing handcuffs.
This is going to be hard, but I think
Alright, it's going to be hard handcuffing you with one hand, but
you can totally do it, right?
try. Alright, put your other hand behind your back. Alright.
And as you
Wait. Make sure she can't slip out.
And as you can see, I'm wearing really uncomfortable jeans, so this will be hard.
Alright.
And my hands turned red, so...
And just to let you guys know, I do have the handcuff key.
Last
We're
to
gonna
Leave
be-
the Park wins in
Hold
10.
on. Wait.
Alright.
We are going to be doing a lot, and I mean a lot of handcuff challenges. Just to let you guys know that. Alright? And we only have one key, so I better not lose this key.
If you do. Alright, ready? Last to Leave the Park wins 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3,
2,
1.
I would do peace, but I can't.
I'm not wearing handcuffs, and she is.
Alright, I'm gonna go down the slide and hope I don't slide off.
And also,
How am I gonna get off?
one thing, all this includes the park. We cannot pass these little gray lines over here. Okay? And the one thing, we have walkie-talkies, and if one of us calls one another, we have to answer.
Yeah, like this. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video.
And you guys would say, oh, you guys want to leave her hanging? That's sad.
Yeah.
Okay? And it's going to be hard for her going down the slide and then getting back up.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm in handcuffs. Which I think I can slip out. No, I can't. Just trying to pull up my pants. Alright, ready?
Go down the slide!
No!
Yeah, you have to.
Fine.
I told you so, you have to. And I can't help her do anything.
Next, you guys will go down below. No, you guys won't do that. You guys will see our new challenges. Last to speak.
Yeah, but that will be probably like later. Later on today.
I can't get up. I can't.
Yeah, I'll help her. Not supposed to, but I will.
Slippery.
Her handcuffs.
I can't do it.
She hates them.
You cheated! Alright, well, I left, so I don't win the $100, unfortunately.
No. We're still on the playground. If we we can't leave this.
Okay, yeah, I'm not out. I don't know what here you guys are talking about. No.
I was gonna push her out.
Not gonna happen today!
But I can slap you today.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go on the spinny thing if I can get it.
I wish you luck.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna go on the monkey bars. We'll try it.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, I'll hurt my hands. I'm gonna go down the slide again.
Okay, but I'm not helping you up this time.
What kind? I need help, Sonny. I'm going.
I pushed her.
Yeah. My butt's wet, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm not going on.
She's too a chicken to go down the slide.
I don't care, okay? I ripped pants. And you said I fell this morning.
She did.
No,
Look at
I
her
didn't.
pants. Look at her
got
pants.
them
Okay,
like this.
let me tell you my joke. If you ever see anybody with ripped pants, you could say, whoa. Are you okay? And be like, what? You fell. Look at your ripped pants. And I'd be like, very funny.
Yeah, so guys, after all, I think I'm gonna leave.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah.
Okay, but you still have to be in there until the video is over.
I know, but like, when is the video gonna be over, guys?
About 10 minutes.
Alright, guys, comment down below.
And turn your phone sideways.
What?
And go down.
the-
If there's a gray button, make it red.
No. If there's a red button, make it.
Sorry, I had that mixed. This
And
is our first YouTube video.
Yeah.
And Lily's a moron.
Oh my God! Shut up.
That's true.
And guys, comment down below what challenges do you want us to do.
Yeah, next, after this, if she ever could figure out how to get herself out of the handcuffs, we will be doing Last to Speak.
And then after Last to Speak, we will be doing drumroll, please.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, what? What are we doing?
We are gonna do after Last to Speak, last to
Leave the laundry room.
No.
Yes.
Last... No.
Yeah, we already planned this out.
Oh yeah. Last to leave the laundry room. And then
Alright.
after that, we are gonna do another challenge, but that will be saved for later. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Bye!
Bye! Losers.
Oh my God, you better not post.
No, I'm talking about Lily. She's the loser. Lily's the loser, not you guys. As you can tell.
I'm very sorry for his behavior today.